Hey everyone! So today we are going to continue on with our Football World Cup flag series. So today we're doing Colombia. Woohoo! Just doing what I've usually been doing in these tutorials. I'm just going to go on and find the Colombian flag. I already know what colours they are, hence why I'm wearing yellow. But I'm just going to get it up anyway, just to see. So yeah, so it's yellow, blue and red. So I don't actually think this one will be too hard on me. Thankfully. That'll make a bit of a change, won't it? So I think I'm going to do what I done on my previous flag tutorial, which was Argentina, if I'm correct. So what I done then was I actually went off camera, done one eye, done a bit of like a play, and then whenever I was finished this eye, I just came back on camera and just filmed this eye here. So then I just wasn't like fannying on camera basically. So that's basically what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to go off camera and get started, obviously incorporating yellow, blue and red into my eye makeup look. Okay, so this is basically what I've got to start off with. Every time I look at it I'm kind of like, it looks more like France, Russia, Costa Rica. Okay, so I know what I'm going to be doing now anyway, so bear with me for a second. You guys probably already know the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to take, so I probably don't even need to show you it, but in case you're new here, it's the NYX Brights palette, and I have used this palette in every single one of these tutorials. I'm not even joking, like whenever I bought this palette, like obviously this is the colours in it with it being like the Brights palette, I bought this palette kind of thinking to myself, I'm never going to use that palette. Like, I'm rarely going to use that palette. You know, because like obviously it's one of those palettes, you know, like it hasn't got your everyday shades in it unless that's what you're into. But doing this series, I've never got so much use out of the one palette. It's actually crazy. And do you know what else I keep on thinking of? Toothpaste. Let me know if I should do another series after this. Because like I know it's like XO, somebody else on YouTube here, she does a lot of series as well, hence where I got this idea. So let me know if you would want me to continue on doing this after obviously the World Cup is finished. I was actually thinking the other night of like a Disney one, but then it was like, I don't know how that would work out. I was thinking of like Disney villains and then Disney princesses, Disney animals, I don't know. So instead of rambling, I'm just going to take the darkest blue shade in the palette and taking this on a ruby blending brush, I'm just going to pack that into my crease, just in the rounded shape of my eye. Just packing and stamping on the colour. Okay, so just cleaning off the brush, I'm just going to lightly feather that shade out. Because I want this eyeshadow look to be quite blown out, I'm just going to go a bit crazy with my blending, and I'm actually going to blend it right up basically into my eyebrow. And then I'm taking the Magic palette by Juvias Place. I'm going to take this dark blue shade here, and I'm going to be taking that on a same brush actually, and I'm just going to focus this just right in that crease, because the Colombian flag is like a dark blue, like it's dark royal blue, but I'm looking in the mirror and it's like, that's not dark blue. I'm looking in the viewfinder and that's not dark blue. So this is the Pro Artist Pro HD longwear says nothing else. This is great. It literally just says HD Pro Longwear. And the packaging is kind of like the LA Girl concealers. It has like the way you brush tip. Copycats. So I'm just going to take that on any flat concealer brush. Then to pack on my lid, I just used the e.l.f. mineral eyeshadow in the shade Angelic. I used this in my previous video. I'm making such a mess. I have like stuff on the back of this compact mirror and it's... oh! I'm getting it everywhere. Jesus! So these are the original shadow shells. I'm just going to take one of these. Now I'm just going to do the red liner. To create that, I used a liquid lipstick, and this is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in the shade First Position. So I basically just took it on like the back of like a wee compact, and I'm now just going to take just like an angled eyeliner brush or an angled eyeshadow brush. Doesn't really make any difference whatsoever. And you'll notice that the good thing about this is the fact that you don't have to be too precise or too perfect, because I am smudging it out. If I wasn't doing that, I would probably be a wee bit more careful and more precise. But as I say, because I'm blending out, I'm just like slapping it on. And then because I have the shadow shield on, it's kind of being like my guide basically to my wing, so I can be even more messy. This is even a look for the 4th of July, by the way. I know it's like the 2nd of July, it's in a couple of days time. So then I'm going into the Brights palette again. I'm taking this red shade here. And at first I was just going to pat that onto the liner and that'll kind of set it. So usually for this you just want to kind of go in with like a medium size small brush, if that makes sense, like this one here, because you're obviously wanting to smudge out the liner, but you want to do it in a small process. Like as you can see, I'm just not going in and like just smudging here. I'm kind of working my way up, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I still look as if I'm supporting the 4th of July, but still, bear with me. Now it's time for the yellow. Part of me is kind of wondering like why I didn't just do like maybe yellow and then like a blue liner and like red underneath to actually represent the flag's horizontal lines and colours. But we'll we'll get something. Okay, so I have the NYX Vivid Brights liner. I'm going to put this in my waterline, but first I'm just going to go with the Kiko number 19 eyeshadow, and I'm just going to run this just along my lower lash line. So I'm actually just going to put that NYX liner just on my lower lash line as well, because I was kind of noticing that the yellow eyeshadow wasn't really picking up too well, like it wasn't really being pigmented enough. Oh my god, I just hit pan on my Kiko eyeshadow. What even? Like, I have been using this shadow so much as well. It's actually crazy. Every time like I use a blending brush on my lower lash line for that yellow shadow, I think the yellow goes everywhere. Now I'm just playing. Okay, so I'm just going to jump onto lashes and then I'll finish off these in a mini me. So I'm just going to use 2 lashes, and these are in the style Lacy. So I got these actually the other day in PR. So these are the lashes I'm wearing today. So keep in mind I do have a discount code with these. It's not affiliate, I'm just on their PR list. They send me lashes, I really like them, I talk about them, I put them on, I slay. Just kind of thinking like, is there anything I need to talk to you guys about? like while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry. I've been getting quite a few comments recently about what flags to do next. I sometimes think that people kind of forget that I only have one face. Basically, I was really wanting to do Iran, but Iran is the same colours technically as Mexico, and I've already done Mexico. Like, I was really wanting to do Iran for some reason. But I just noticed that Iran is horizontally the same colours as Mexico. So I think the one's next that I'm kind of wanting to do. So let me guys know what you think, and if you have any other suggestions, get back to me. But I'm thinking of doing Saudi Arabia, either or Nigeria, Egypt, Portugal, or Spain. Spain's actually quite good. I didn't even think of Spain actually. Oh my god. So I'm just going to use the Mega Volume Baby Roll Lash by L'Oreal. I'm just going to use this just on my lower lash line. Okay, so I think maybe I should do a bit of like graphic liner, do you think? Do you know what I wish, right? I wish that I could do these, like, live stream them, and like you guys actually talk to me and like tell me what to do and like help me out and everything, so that I know that I'm doing what you want to see. Yeah. See, if I balls this up, I'm never doing YouTube ever again. I quit. I fucking quit. Oh. Okay, so what do we think? But as usual, I'm just going to give you guys a bit of a close-up, and you can let me know what you think in the comments below. So the only thing that's throwing me off is obviously the silver bit, because obviously there's no silver, no white, no nothing in the flag. So I'm kind of thinking like, why did I do it? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, honestly, like, I don't mind it. Like, I honestly do love it. I do think I did a good job. It's great. But representing the Colombian flag, maybe not so much. So everyone, thank you guys so much for continuing on with me within this series and watching. So yeah, the series is not finished yet because obviously the World Cup is ongoing. I will definitely have so many more up this week because I know I was slacking last week going to put one up. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, and keep up to date with everything that I'm doing there. I just want to say one more thing before I go. I did link it on my previous video, but I'm not too sure if anybody noticed or not, but Sigma makeup brushes, kindly, can you imagine me? They had reached out to me and asked me if basically I wanted an affiliate code with them. So it was like, yeah, sure. So basically there was like an ongoing process to get me an account made up, etc, etc. So if you go in my description box down below, I crazily now do have a discount code with Sigma brushes, and it's Emma F, all in capitals, 10. I think it is anyway. I'm gonna have to double check it. I will have the link down below that you click onto and it'll take you directly to Sigma Brush's website, and then I also have the discount code beside it as well, so you just enter Emma F all in capitals at the checkout, and that'll give you guys, anybody that uses it obviously, 10% off anything that you buy on the website. And because it is an affiliate code, I do make a bit of money off every purchase, you know. We all have to make a living here, but I do have to say it is my very first affiliate code, so it's just very exciting. So I just want to thank you guys ever so much from the bottom of my heart, because obviously this wouldn't happen without you subscribing to my channel and making me grow basically. If you want to buy some brushes and use my discount code, help a girl out. But yeah, like, I will not be ramming it down anybody's throats, because like there's just, I don't like it whenever I'm watching videos and it's just like, use my code, use my code, use my code, how about you fuck off? So yeah. that's all I wanted to say. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you guys all in my next video.